Hi everyone, this is Shalini from Team Thompson. Today we're going to be discussing our senior design project in Thompson, Connecticut.
Hey, this is Sean. In 1891, there was a four-train pileup in East Thompson, Connecticut, making it the site of one of the worst train wrecks in American history. This history is really important to the Thompson community. The train wreck site is now part of the popular Airline State Park Trail. Our project was to create a welcoming, safe, and family-friendly environment at the entrance of this trail. We focused on creating a sense of place, interpreting the history of Thompson in a way that the community could connect to, and increasing the curb appeal of the site.
Hi, this is Joshua. When we went on our site visit, we saw that the parking lot was basically gravel and sand. We noticed there was also some stormwater issues at the bottom, as you can see in the right image, due to the potholes at the end of there. Some of the goals we want to focus on for this project is improving the organization of the parking lot, increasing the pedestrian safety near that crosswalk, and also work on the stormwater maintenance issues.
This is the preliminary drawing that the sponsors provided to us showcasing their vision. We took some ideas from this vision, as well as extensively researching technical elements such as stormwater management, traffic safety, and parks design to create our proposed concept plan for the site. Here is our concept plan we created in AutoCAD Civil 3D, and now we can take a closer look at some of the elements in our design. Looking at trucks and our entrance. Our trail site is at the bottom of a hill and on a sharp bend. We picked our entrance location intentionally to be mindful of safety and visualization from both sides for all visitors. This trail is regularly traveled by horses, so it is important to allow for accessible truck turning into the horse trailer spaces. We virtually traveled the route using the Civil 3D vehicle tracking program to show circulation, allowing for trailers to travel around the entire parking lot, as well as able to park in their designated spaces.
We've also created a defined parking area for cars, including a few ADA spaces for both cars and vans. Taking into account both the size of the lot and the traffic that the trail receives, we propose 30 spaces to meet the needs of the community. For the stormwater pooling that we talked about earlier, we also proposed a 4-foot wide vegetated swale around the boundaries of the lot. On the left, you can see a little bit larger scale of what a vegetated swale would look like. This would solve the water-filled potholes problem, as well as create a sense of place unique to Thompson, since we're planning to fill it with native plants that are also being used in another installation nearby.
Some of the things that we decided to do in order to increase the pedestrian safety is to change the crosswalk that's already there into an elevated crosswalk. It would be made of stamped asphalt bricks, so that would give drivers more of an indication that there is a crosswalk there due to the high speeds on the road, which is 30 miles per hour. We thought that would be more effective if we would use techniques in order to slow down cars over changing the speed limit of the road.
No park is complete without the amenities, so we have a list of suggested items like picnic tables, trash cans, and toilets for the town to decide upon in their implementation of the plans. We suggested a large number of trash cans at all the high flow points in the site to reduce litter as much as possible. Our plans also include suggestions for newer, permanent composting toilets or continuing with a service like porta potties. The key park feature the town wants the most is a picnic pavilion designed in the style of the old train depot, seen on the left. It will serve as a place to rest on the trail, as well as a starting point for the many tours the town hosts along the old railway and crash site. Along with this pavilion, an information kiosk and trail signs will be used to guide visitors and tell the story of the historic Hornington collision. The trail signs will be large glass panels with pictures of the old train and station placed so that visitors can see the past placed on the current landscape.
In addition to the concept plan, our final package also includes a cost estimate for the elements that we proposed. This is just a quick snapshot of our spreadsheet detailing the material, labor, and maintenance costs, but as you can see, we cover a variety of categories and associated costs.
We are excited to pass along our deliverables to our sponsors, the Town of Thompson. Our design and cost estimates will help guide the town as they apply for grants to bring this project to life. Thanks so much for listening to our presentation, and be sure to check out the Airline State Park Trail. Thank you.